Hello viewers, please encourage our talent and like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. You can also be a part of our art gallery. So send your artwork, art videos and any other talent videos in our mail ID and contact us in our WhatsApp number. We provide online coaching also. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Vishwajit and representing Doremi as usual. This video is on a small tribute to Lata Mangeshkar. Here in this video, I have drawn a digital portrait painting of Lata Mangeshkar. You can also learn if you watch our video. And very exciting things, I have started my online digital painting class and many students are really interested to learn. They need only a computer or laptop and this pen tablet. If you have this, you can really learn digital painting and you should all learn digital painting because digitalization is our future. So without wasting time, if you really want, contact us in our WhatsApp number. And now go and watch full video and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and also show what you learned. Share your pictures. You know, Doremi is a platform nourishes the star to shine. So join our platform and keep shining bright.
So let's understand what is digital painting. It is very interesting that here you don't have to buy paper, don't have to buy color, don't have to buy pencil, you don't have to buy anything. Just you need to buy a laptop and computer. It is a one-time investment and you can learn lot of things, and that is our future. I have told before also. Here in this video you can see I am drawing a portrait. As simple I draw in the paper, here also I am drawing. Very easily I can erase over here. Okay, there is a undo options also if I do any mistakes. Okay, digital eraser is there, everything is there. How simply I am drawing, and we are using a pen tablet. There is a particular pen that is called digital pen, and we can draw with that tablet. And this tablet is minimum cost is 2000 rupees, and that works very nice. Just think, you never have to buy colors, pencils, so you can save the money like that way, right? Digital painting is very easy, very easy. Just you need to build up your concepts of drawing basics idea. The moment you can clear, you can do also digital painting. That I am doing. Here I am using a software, it is a Photoshop. You all know about this software. I am using the Photoshop. It is not latest version. I have also the latest version. I am going to use that version very soon. And look, after drawing, this is oil treatment process I am doing. Exactly the same way we do the oil, same technique we are applying here. After drawing, all the dark tone we are using. You can see all the dark tone you are using. So you are completing the dark part actually. So that is very important part. You have to know, you have to understand where will be the darker. For this reason you have to learn. And if you watch this video also, you can also learn. You can ask question if you have any doubt in our comment box. And look, this is a middle tone. You can see what color I'm using. First I use burnt sienna, little bit mixed with burnt umber, now little bit mixed with orange. Look, this is our another tone. So I have used dark tone, then middle tone, and that is called the basic tone that we are doing. So you can understand how I am developing the drawing, you can also learn this digitally. You can do lot of things. Just think, when you will learn the digital painting, you don't have to carry, if you are going here and there, you don't have to carry your colors, papers, all these things. Just you need to carry your small laptop and you can do your digital painting. And also, if you are able to do the professionals work also, sitting in your home, you can do that. Look, this is our light tone. We are doing this. Basically, we are showing about 3, 4, 5 tones. Okay, so it is basically dark to light. First I attempt the dark color, then I give the light color. But in watercolor technique, we use first light color, then gradually dark color. Opposite process of oil color technique. But all the artists, they like to do the oil painting mostly. They always try to learn the oil painting, because when you go dark to light, it creates a different type of depth in your work. So look exactly what the light is coming. The same places I am applying the light, and now I'm just blending the color with the other colors, that it shows the blending nicely. So because of this I'm blending. In the Photoshop there is a different type of brushes, variety of colors are there. Here also you can make the color. It's a simple process and very interesting. You should learn. You should really learn. And you need a proper guidance. Okay, if you go in YouTube, you can see lot of videos, but you will not have a proper guidance. You need to have a mentor who can guide you according to your style. You have to maintain your style also. So watch this video full, and you also learn a glimpse of idea that how to do a digital painting. And also those who are really wanted to the portrait painting, you can same process you can apply on your drawing copy also. You can use pastel color also to do this painting, even watercolor also. In watercolor process is light to dark, and in pastel you can do like oil painting from dark to light color. So because of this reason it is called oil pastel color. So you can do this with oil pastel color in your drawing copy, and you can draw the Lata Mangeshkar's portrait like this way. Just you have to follow where is dark tone is coming, where middle tone, where base tone, where light tone is coming, how I am blending, everything you need to follow. Now I have taken more light color for a particular places. You can see very close tones I am applying to blend the color with very nicely. If you are really wanted to learn, so you can contact us in our WhatsApp number, you can comment us, so we can give a definitely answer. And if you feel this is a little bit tough for you, then we have made another video that is also portrait painting, that is the basics ones. You all should watch the basic video first. Okay, if you see the basic ones, this will be little clear for you to understand this video. So look, every detailing I am doing, small color, you have to watch very nicely, then you can understand. Now I am doing the eyebrow. Okay, I didn't try to make it faster, okay, because you cannot understand them, so I want you to understand. So this is why I have done. You can see very smoothly and very gently that you can understand what color I am using. Now look, I am giving the lighter color. Can you understand? The moment I am using the lighter color, you can see the face is looking 3D. So this way I am doing. So that's why I tell digital painting is very interesting. Here if you are doing any mistake also, you can go to back, undo options. That is really helps. But you have a clear idea of everything. Until and unless your base is clear in drawing, you cannot do the digital painting. So you need to have a clear idea of basics of the painting. Especially when you are doing the portrait, you always know the basic structure of the portrait. Then you can attempt any portrait. Things will be very clear to you. In my description box, I will share that link from where you can learn the basics portrait structure. Now look, all the color tones I have used one after one, you can understand. Okay, so this way I am just trying to get the character of the portrait. You can see, look, we have done the ear, we have done the nose, lips, everything. It is clear to you. I know you are enjoying the video. Watch the full video very clearly. I am just doing one by one everything clear to in front of you, that you can avoid any confusions. All the touch that I have done, you can see very well. We have left the background coloring and also the coloring of the sari is left. So our portrait is going to be finished. You can see how the tones are used. Now I'm just blending. You can see some places the expression lines was too dark, so I'm trying to make it lighter. Now this is identical bindi of Lata Mangeshkar. Now we are drawing the sari. We didn't give too much of effort in the sari because the video is getting longer. I don't want to make it more long. I will make another video on especially on the drapery. I mean how can you color the drapery. That I will make another video. Our main focus is to do this portrait, so we have done this. And you can see in the ear there is the earrings. We will color that also. Everything I'm trying to clear. Till if you have a questions, don't forget to ask and keep practicing. If you have a pen tablet, you can also start practicing. If you don't have, no matter, take out your paper, color, and you can do this also. Okay, just the thing is that today or tomorrow we all have to learn the digital painting. So look, all the color I'm taking, how I'm choosing the color from the box. I will make a definitely video on that also, from where we get the color, how I use this Photoshop for my work to solve my purpose. Now I'm coloring the background. Until and unless you do the background coloring, your portrait will not be looking it is finished. So I'm just little bit touch I'm showing. So this is our background. Our work is about to finish. I hope you all have enjoyed our video. You have learned many things from this. Now it is your turn. Draw your own painting and share with us.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.